It was like fucking moving, and I was like, dude, when I was in 6th grade, I slept like this on my fucking arms, and I woke up and I couldn't move my arms, so I rolled over and I was like, Mom, what the fuck? And I was like freaking out because I couldn't move my arms because they were asleep. I was like, shit, are you videotaping?
Alright, look. Hey, well, I was riding in shotgun, speeding down the highway, listening to music, haven't slept in like 5 days. I try to take a nap, lean my head against the window. It feels real, I swear to God, this shit pretend though. Cause me, I get high, make music for a living. If that ain't the best job, then give me your opinion. Cause I love life, chilling for the night, case of Bud Light. Small world for me, but you live a bug's life. Scared to chase your dreams, scared to take a risk, think it's make-believe. So you hate the shit, Valentine, love it. Grimier the rubbish, you softer than the Snuggie and you sweeter than the sun kiss. Never eating beats on your Doug shit. Come with all the swagger, but you lacking all the substance. Cool, the dude you used to wanna be in school, spending money, drinking liquor, naked girls up in wake up in my bed, getting head. She says the act so cool, but she easily impressed. I let her lay back, watch her while she get dressed. Put herself together last night was a mess. Yes, today a new day, fresh start. Didn't make mistakes you wouldn't give for. Give like get hard, get high, shit till you try. Hey, yo, my herb smoke tasting like a nerd's rope. I'ma get rich so I can buy my bitch a fur coat, something like a millionaire in training. Still my shit amazing. We jumping over puddles when it's raining. Planning on a tan, I'm in the sand and we'll be jamming, make a bounce while we dancing on the clouds until I'm landing in my house. Remember when my moms would hate me standing on the couch, but now I'm making so much money I start to lose count. I try and spend it quick, I got bills though. Yeah, I'm only 18, I got skills though. Beats rhymes like trap called chill flow. You can rap in 25 years and you still broke. No disrespect, the riches is the art. I'm just mad at all these haters who was bitches from the start. We do this cause we love it and it's setting us apart. We was already gone while you was only on your mark. Wake up in my bed, getting head, she says. That so cool, but she easily impressed. I let her lay back, watch her while she gets dressed. Put herself together last night was a mess. Yes, today a new day, fresh start. If you didn't make mistakes, you